In this video, I'll show you how to create a video from photos in Canva, step by step. First, go to canva.com and log in or create a free account. Then, click on Create a Design and choose Video. You can select 1080p for landscape or mobile video if you want a vertical format. Now, go to the Upload section and upload your images. Once they're uploaded, drag your first photo onto the canvas. Then click Add Page and add the rest of your photos one by one. Next, adjust the duration of each image. By default, it's around 5 seconds, but you can click on Timing and reduce it to around 2 or 3 seconds for a smoother slideshow video in Canva. Now, let's make it look better by adding transitions. Click between the images and choose a simple transition, like Dissolve. This helps your Canva photo video look more professional. If you want to add music, download royalty-free music and upload it into Canva. Then drag it to the timeline and reduce the volume so it plays softly in the background. Finally, click on Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video format. And that's it. You've successfully created a video from photos using Canva.